This is your weather update, and we have big time weather coming through the U.S., central U.S. right now. First of all, if we come up here, we currently have an active tornado warning up in Michigan, and then another active tornado warning in Michigan. 2 active tornado warnings in Michigan, and if we come over here, we can see right there, and then we've had a wall cloud report up over here. We've had a tornado report over here, numerous tornado warnings, and this has all been powered by a storm system that has been bringing severe weather across the entire U.S. over the past few days, where if I just put this into motion, you can see here we have storms pushing through the United States, and this right here is what they'll be doing over the next few hours. We're talking, potentially some stronger winds pushing in through Kentucky, Tennessee, Alabama, Mississippi, then potentially a little bit of a tornado threat down south, and then we'll continue pushing into the night and into the early morning. This is about 7 a.m. in the morning. We'll still be seeing rain in the Carolinas, Georgia, Alabama, parts of Florida, Louisiana, and a little bit of Mississippi. And all the way up into then the lines of storms will be coming into New York, Washington. Probably won't be that severe. We do have a severe wind threat for tomorrow. It's 5% wind threat. Some potentially damaging winds over here. We have a large flooding threat coming up and producing over here. Same for over here. But with this storm system, we could be seeing temperature changes by 10 degrees in some places. And that's what we're going to talk about right now. As you can see here, this right here is right now. We're talking places like Birmingham, Alabama, 80 degrees. Huntsville, 80. Nashville, 68. Chattanooga, 81. We're talking up here in Pennsylvania, we're talking 80 degrees, 70, all the way up through here. But as we see here, as these storms slowly push through, by 4 in the morning, we're talking in Nashville, 46 degrees. Birmingham, 65, but if we push out a little bit further, we're then talking about 59. Huntsville, 50. Jackson, Mississippi, 50. Little Rock, 45. This is at 7 o'clock in the morning. Potentially St. Louis could be in the 30s. Fort Wayne could be in near freezing. But with that, if we come over here to our other model, we can see we put this into motion, we could be talking about temperatures potentially rising back up in the coming days once this loads. But we done had some tornadoes back up in Oklahoma last night, and all the way up into Bloomington, Illinois. But there was a late night threat last night where we had a confirmed tornado tear through like this, just north of Moore, Oklahoma last night, and it did some damage undoubtedly. And then if we continue to push this through, we can see over the next few days it gets cold, and then boom, it'll get very cold, and then we'll slowly start to see going into the next week, we'll see places like Oklahoma, Alabama, Mississippi, Arkansas start to warm back up, Texas. They'll all start to warm back up, and then we'll really see a surge of warm air back over here coming into the next week, and then we will just constantly be in like a swing potentially. But with that, that will be the weather forecast for today. Hope you liked it. Be sure to like and subscribe. We'll be doing one tomorrow most likely.